Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. As you could tell from the title, we're going to be spray painting the front of the car. So basically reason why I want to do this is because right now I have a flat black look on the grill and the lip, and I want to change that. I actually want to make it glossy, make it like pop a little more, and that's really going to make the front end look a lot better. Not that the front end is like ugly or anything, it's just like I honestly want it to look more like a newer feel, but right now it just looks kind of like dull and boring just because of the flat black. So the first thing we're going to be doing is actually taking out the front bumper, and we're going to be taking it to the backyard, and then that's where I'm going to be spray painting. So we're going to be removing the grill from the bumper too, so that's going to have like a lot of like screws and stuff and bolts or whatever, but you know, it's going to be easy and it's going to make the process a lot better. That way you don't get any overspray on the silver parts of the car, of the front bumper. So you know, that's gonna make it a lot easier to actually paint and not having to mask stuff off and stuff. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and this is gonna be my first time actually taking off the grill. I haven't seen any videos on anybody doing that yet, so if you guys want to figure out how to do that with me, then just follow along with this video. And yeah guys, so all I'm going to be doing is showing you guys the before look right now. So I'm just going to cut to a clip of just like a little of just the front bumper before we spray paint it gloss black. So yeah, so let's just get started by taking off the front bumper and taking it to the backyard. Alright guys, so here we got the bumper off. What I'm going to be doing now is taking it to the backyard, and then we're just going to start removing the grill and everything. So we're going to be removing all of this, all the black stuff, the lip, all of that has to go out. And then once we do that, we're going to start sanding and then get to painting. So let's get started. Alright guys, so it looks like what we're dealing with is just a whole bunch of screws. You can see them all around the part of the grill. So what we're gonna be doing is just taking them out, but it's gonna be a while. So I got a screwdriver I'm gonna be using, and yeah, let's just get to it.
Good?
Yeah. Damn.
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh my. Alright guys, so as you saw in the process of taking off the lip, it actually like had a crack in it. So when I took it off, I didn't see the crack until it was too late, and just split right in half. So I think this is still usable. Obviously I'm not gonna just throw it out, but you know, it's very unfortunate, but you know, I'm gonna try to salvage it and see what I can do to use it again. But for now, let's just talk about the grill. So I got the bottom part of the grill off. This is the middle grill, so we got everything out, everything that we wanted to get out. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just I'm just be sanding everything down and getting it ready for paint. Alright guys, so this is going to be everything we're going to be using today. So as you can see, we have primer, we have black paint, and then we have clear coat. At the bottom, as you can see, we have 100 grit and 400 grit. So these are the basic things you're gonna need. So guys, I bought all this in Home Depot. It's all in the same aisle, so I'll link it all in the description for you guys.
Hey, what's up guys? So it's the next morning and all the paint finished drying, so what we're gonna be doing now is just reassembling everything, putting it back on the car. So I'm just gonna do that real quick off camera and then just show you guys the finished product. But yeah guys, it came out really good. Not perfect paint job obviously, but proud of it. So yeah, let's just get started. Let's do that and show you guys finished product.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the final product, and I think it turned out really good. It's very glossy now, and I think it makes the front end look so much better. It looks more newer, I guess you can say, and man, just feeling it and like actually touching it, the paint feels really nice. And yeah, this is my first time actually working with paint like this. I've always only used Plastidip, and I'm really happy with the results. I'm definitely going to be doing more painting, but yeah guys, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Leave a message in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. I think I did a pretty decent job, but let me hear you guys' opinions. Are you guys going to be doing this to your Lancers or Evos? Let me know. One thing that I want you guys to know, the next couple episodes I'm going to be doing some Bondo work. We're going to be fixing up this front end, fixing that crack in the lip and the crack underneath as well. We're going to be working on this fender gap here, so just using Bondo to basically fill this up and just you know, just making this look a little more presentable. And yeah, we're going to be working on a lot of things today. Well, in the next video, I'm going to be working on that video today, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.